Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. The server IP, port, and Minecraft version must match exactly. Once done, restart your router and your PC to clear transient state. This often solves NAT hiccups. Make sure to disable VPNs or proxies and temporarily turn off your firewall so you can test a direct connection. These first steps isolate whether the issue is local, ISP-related, or server-side. They get you to a point where deeper troubleshooting makes sense. Now you diagnose. Run ping and traceroute to the server to reveal latency spikes or packet loss, because routing problems show up here. Once you have that data, check the server logs for bind errors, plugin exceptions, or version mismatches that can reject connections. Then test from the same LAN and from an alternate network, like a mobile hotspot. If hotspot works, the issue is between your ISP/router and the server. These steps narrow the fault domain precisely. Finally, apply targeted fixes. Enable UPnP or manually forward the server port on the router, or switch to bridge mode if double NAT is present, because Minecraft needs reachable ports. Update Java and the server jar, and remove any recently added or incompatible plugins that corrupt handshakes. Once applied, restart server and clients and verify connections. If you still fail, capture client and server logs, revert recent changes, and retest. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals the overlooked cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.